Hello YouTube love and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a full house tour. So quick tour of my room. It's gonna be a full house tour. If you guys have seen this video, it means that we put this house on the market, and this was actually the day of pictures, and it's so surreal. It's like a sweet and sad moment for our family, and happy at the same time because we were outgrowing this space. But as everything is clean, I just wanted to show you guys everything. I'm going to adjust the light. This was the master bathroom. We just recently did this floor. It's a pier and stick, and we grouted. It has this full marble look. I was inspired by IG friend to do this, and it makes such a huge difference from what it used to be. You don't want to see how this used to be. And I also painted the vanity, and our bathroom was so small, you guys. One of the things that I couldn't stand, the shower's right there, one sink we both share. It was a nightmare, but you know what, I'm so happy. It was our first home and we put so much love into it. So yeah, I've seen this room so many times, and it's going to be the last tour of it. So I just wanted to show you how everything looks because of the picture and video. So this is our dining room, and right here is our backyard. And then I recently changed the dining room table just for showing purposes, and also we needed a smaller dining room table anyway, so I went ahead and just got this one from Wayfair. I'm going to link it down below. The only thing I don't like about it, the top is kind of wobbly a little bit. I feel like they should have done a better job with a base to support the top. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. It's glass. It's a glass top, but it looks like marble. So moving right along to the kitchen. You guys know my coffee bar area actually kind of condensed, and actually removed a few things just because of the showing and also pictures. So it looks very clutter free right now, and I actually like it, you guys. So this is my cabinet. You guys know we DIY this kitchen. We have 42-inch cabinet that we did, and we also added a hood range, and then also did the microwave drawer, which we love. I just love and going to miss this kitchen dearly. You guys seen this shelf so many times. We kind of memorize it. Actually got done with videos, so my husband Dexter, you guys will see in the loft/family area, was pulled down here for the remaining of the video. So this is the hallway that leads to the master and also the backyard. This is Eli, say hi. And this is the room that you guys saw so many styling video in, DIY floors, just pretty much everything you can think of. Like, this home holds so many memories. We're moving to this house when Eli was like 2.5 and he's almost 9, so you know it's about time. All the lights are on. So my stairs that we did, you guys probably remember this. I'm going upstairs.
Yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
So anyway, this is the upstairs landing, and I just refreshed this little area. Ottoman bench from Shop Inspire Me Home Decor that we want to link. Is a storage bin, so you can definitely have some things in here. I actually have blankets. All I throw blankets are in here. And I have some pillow from my friend Naomi from Glamorously Living. And I'm going to link her shop down below as well. So this looks downstairs into this view that you guys see all the time. I'm going to do a pan around view. You guys probably see my hubby. He's putting stuff together. Want to say hi to you too? It's gonna be the last time they're gonna see you in this home because I'm not sharing it until we close. So again, family room / love. We made it work for 6 years. This is our hangout spot, family night. It's kind of whatever right now. You guys get the point. We kind of like had to move things around for the photographer, so things are a little chaotic, but at least it's very clean. So right here we have our little, what is this thing called again? The thing that drops. Projector. So we have our projector for movie night, and we also have our TV, and also this console. You guys remember it was in my dining room and I brought it up here. You know, shop your home if you're getting tired. Now this is the laundry room, which you guys don't need to really see. I have double doors to my laundry room. It's not a walk-in, it's just a laundry room, like the washer dryer. Right there that faces Eli's room. And you're gonna miss your room, right? Yes, you are. So this is Eli's room. We made a few little adjustments just to bring the lamp here. But his room pretty much stayed the same. If you guys saw his room makeover or transformation, then you're very familiar with this whole place, because nothing has changed. Still the same. We just have the man of the hour right here. Sorry if it's a little dark, but yeah. So yeah, he's definitely gonna miss his room, but everything, the one thing I love, the fact that everything from his room is going, just not the decks and also not the console table. I'm just gonna get a new thing, but the bed, picture frame, everything is going, so I'm happy that is something that he can definitely grow into. With big boy's room, I love this space. We can use it in the other office. Now walking in here, this is a kid's bathroom. Now we just finished this. This was like the final project in this space, because we did laminate throughout this floor. This is sorry, we did vinyl throughout this floor, and it's waterproof. So since it's waterproof, we went ahead and extended it into the kids' bathroom. Again, I painted the cabinets here. Vanity, we changed the new light fixture. And this is me. This has been my go-to lately. Cap and keep on moving. Right here is, we also changed the toilet. I bought new little accessories that's definitely coming with me. And I love this sign. I had this sign out for about 5 years. It says, wash your hand and say your prayer, because Jesus and germs are everywhere. And I bought this from Etsy like 5 years ago, you guys. I love it. I love how bright it is in this space. It's just like very nice. Again, stuff that we had to kind of like hide for pictures, so don't mind that. Now we are going to walk into the girls' room, and I bet Miss Valerie. It's just relaxing. I really never shared this space with you guys, because it was just like done, and it was done not all at once, and then there's few areas that I wanted to tweak, and I just never got to sharing it. So this is Miss Valerie and Vanessa's room, so that both hold the same initials, so I kept the same thing on either side. And yeah, just like we again minimize it once more. And then also, like, the decks is not coming with us, the chairs are coming. I'm just gonna get it reimposed. I'm just gonna reimpose the fabric myself, but the decks is like torn. It's fine. This is not coming with us. The bunk bed is not coming with us. So there's a lot of stuff that's not coming as far as like big furniture piece. So, but it's still a lot that we have to move. We actually removed the chandelier fan that was here, and we just added the previous light fixture that was here before, and we added this mandelium that I have from Amazon. But yeah, this is my girls' room. What? So yeah, this is my girls' room. Valerie, you want to say hi? So yeah, guys, 6 years of memory in this space, and we are getting ready to say goodbye. By the time you guys are watching this, we already closed on this home, and it's done. It's no longer ours. We put so much love into it, and you know, hopefully the new homeowners can appreciate what we have done, because when we moved in here, it was a hot mess, and we turned it into what it is today, step by step by step. You can take it off if you want to. I know you're not going to, so.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set